Good morning and welcome to Dodgy Builds number 27. This is the Pallet Processor 2.0. It may look like garbage, but it is highly functional and extremely useful. It has a spot for all the tools I use, it's at a good height for hammering out the nails, simple block attachment for quick and easy nail removal, the bench catches all the rusty nails, and my favourite, the slide-in feature for that last paling that is always hard to pry off. Okay, starting with some pallet stringers. I am ripping them down the centre on the table saw. I have the plug up on a bucket because the ground is so wet. Cutting a bit of an angle on the ends of 4 lengths, these will be the bottom of the legs that get pushed into the ground to give the entire thing some extra stability. I have 2 full width stringers cut to 520 and pre-drilled 2 holes either end. Line this up with the top of the spike. Attach, and this is what the back legs look like. A bit of a balancing act to see where I want the front legs. Chipboard screws to attach, front legs cut to about 700 or a comfortable bench height. Added a few backrest palings, refueled, then framed up the sides. I'm taking this paling out and replacing it with a stringer for extra strength. Added 2 ripped lengths at the back to rest the circular saw on and to hold the hammer. I used some scrap OSB as a bottom for the bench. This area is to catch the nails. I added a ripped stringer on the front, both at the top and bottom. This gap is for assisting in prying off that last paling. This is my nail collection tin. These nuts were amazing. They are full of MSG and made me sick, but it was worth it. I used the top of another tin for a loop to hold the pry bar. I was hoping the weather would stay nice, but look at that. For the timber leverage block, I cut out a section in the backboard with the jigsaw. And it's raining. Okay, let's test this out. I first cut along the stringers, flip it over, and cut the other side. Stand up the pallet and pry off the palings. Place them nails up on the bench. Tap the nails out the way they came and then flip them over. Insert the block. This helps with the removal of the nails and also clamps all the palings down so they don't move around. Insert the middle stringer into the front piece to lever off that last paling. It is quick and easy. There are many ways to dismantle a pallet. I have tried just about all of them, but this is my favourite way. And the rain is back. It looks set in, so that will do me for today.